In this video, we will demonstrate how Checkmate can take a QIF file and generate a DEMIS CMM program automatically. First, I will use CapVidea's FormatWorks SolidWorks add-in to import the CAD model and MBD annotations. Then we load a CMM probe model and add the AB angles that the CMM will have calibrated so that Checkmate knows what probe angles it has to work with. For visualization and collision detection purposes, we will load a Checkmate fixture and then set the work view defining how the part will be sitting on the CMM. Time to create the Checkmate CMM program automatically from the QIF MBD. I'm going to enable the programming automation tools that complete the program by determining the best probe position for each measurement, adding probe moves and probe rotations, optimizing the probe path, and checking and fixing any collisions. The finished program is listed in the Checkmate programming browser on the right and displayed in the graphics area as the yellow measurements. Looking in the programming browser, you can see that the tolerances in the program match the PMI tolerances of the annotations. Let's watch a visual simulation and admire our handiwork. Finally, it is time to output a DEMIS program. Checkmate can output this graphical program to DEMIS code for over 50 different CMMs. This DEMIS program can be taken over to the CMM, imported, and run. One final thing to mention is that I know what people with scanning heads on their CMMs are thinking. All those points are in PEC mode and I want to measure those cross sections with my CMM scanning head. Well, a simple feature edit will convert the measurement from a standard program PEC point mode to full contact scan measurement mode. Notice the yellow P becomes a magenta S for scan mode. Let's simulate that measurement so you can see. As a summary, it took more time to watch this video than what Checkmate needed from loading the QIF file to generating the CMM DEMIS code. Thanks for watching and have a great day.